Yahoo! Come on, please join with us like this only, and we'll have a wonderful, good spiritual journey. What I would like to say once again. But even though you don't know, in temples only all the relationship will start. Yeah, we will do it. Everything is possible. Everything is easy. We can do it. नहीं, हम खुद पर विश्वास करने वाले लोग हैं. We have self-confidence and we have confidence on our shoes also, and the grip of our shoes. And you can see, friends, whenever my soul will call me, no, I will just shout like this. It's really beautiful. You must express, yaar. Come on, this is the right age that you have to start expressing. Otherwise, how you will be able to express your love towards somebody? Yes or no? You would like to shout now? Come on! Full. It's completely enjoying, my dear friends. First time, then previously 2 times with whom?
Family.
Okay. Yahoo! और एक बार और एक बार और एक बार और एक बार. यस, बताओ क्या बोल रहे हो? ये मैंने बोला अभी ये मैरिज स्पॉट है, तो हमारा भाई का बात सुन लो.
मैरिज के बाद अगर लाइफ में शांति चाहिए तो यहाँ पे टीपू ड्रॉप पे आए और फोटो क्लिक के बहाने ड्रॉप कर दें.
किसको?
तो आपको सोचना है.
अभी देखो, सोचो भाई, सोचो.
वो आपको डिपेंड करता है आप क्या ड्रॉप करना चाहते हो.
क्या मोबाइल को या
या तो अपनी खुशियाँ को.
वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. हाँ.
या तो खुशी देने वाली को. जो भी सोचो आप तो करता है.
देखो भाई, now we are going towards the Nandi Hills, and you can see that monkeys are welcoming us. चलो then आगे चलेंगे. और एक बार बताओ भाई. और एक बार भाई. हाँ.
बोलो है टीपू ड्रॉप पे ना.
हाँ.
अपने सारे पास्ट मेमोरी को ड्रॉप कर देना है. ठीक है.
अभी देखो,
पास्ट जो गर्लफ्रेंड का मेमोरी होगा उसको पहले ड्रॉप कर देना है.
नहीं, sitting behind the auto. Okay, let's check it out. Are you feeling lonely here?
No, why lonely here? Because my friends are here, my brother, everyone here.
No, also your brothers and all these people will not be give that much of experience, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, he's telling the truth from his heart, I think. Okay. Anyway, thank you. It's wonderful. Yeah, come on, let's go for the next destination now. Yeah, we are very much enjoying today. Come on. Yeah, this is obviously true that all the relationships, it starts from temple.
Yeah.
Is there any personal experience behind this?
This is also a temple. And so I think he might get one.
Surely only one is not enough, I think. Okay. And all the steps are like this now. Completely like this. Okay. But we are not going to accept the failure, or we are not going to give up also. We are heading towards our destination and we will win this for sure. Still we are excited. Yahoo! Here we are. We have reached our destination successfully and the mission accomplished with a great success. We can just watch a smiling face in all our trekkists today. And here now friends, you can watch it out. How is the food?
Good.
Yeah, you can see here. We are having rice.
Rice is good.
Rice is good.
Don't know about sabji.
But sabzi is also very tasty. It is looking like very delicious. So yeah, come on, let's have it. Oh, Yahoo! Yay! Yes, ultimately we have reached our destination towards the down also. So you can watch these steps and we got down. It's really fabulous, fantabulous. And we'll meet once again, okay? Thank you, bye-bye!
Thank you.
थोड़ा सा Yes, Namaste, my dear friends. Today we are on the journey towards Nandi Hills. So come, let us go and enjoy this wonderful spiritual journey with us. Thank you. Yeah, we are very much enjoying today. Come on. मेज क्यों चले? Yes, my dear friends, now we are waiting for the train to arrive. So now we are in KSR Bangalore railway station, so that we are waiting to for the train to come. So when it arrives, we are going to get down at the stop Nandi Halt, so that we can go for Nandi Hills today. So anyway, let us check it out. Stay tuned with us. Let's be with us. Please be with us for the spiritual journey that where we are going now. Yes, dear friends, now you can see, you can watch out. Now the train is arriving where we have to start our journey. Chalo, chalenge. Yes, my dear friends, now we have boarded our train for Kolar. Yes, come on, let's get inside. Yes, dear friends, now you can watch out here. Our two more important persons who are going to this spiritual journey with us today. So one person, Tapas Dev, he is taking the photograph, and one more person with us, Shailesh Devji. Yes, come on friends, let us ask the experience of these two also, how they are experiencing and how they are feeling now. Come on. And one more thing, my dear friends, if you would like to see, you can check it out here, the train. It's completely empty and we are the kings of this train. That's what I am feeling right now. And nobody is there. Yes, we have reached. Yes, now friends, you can watch it out. So now here we are in Nandi station, and you can just watch out this station, railway station. It is very small railway station, and the train was here only for 5 minutes also, only for 1 minute it stayed here in this station. So within that particular 1 minute we got down, and now we are going towards the Nandi Hills, and you can see that monkeys are welcoming us. Chalo then आगे चलेंगे. Yes, my dear friends, you can watch it out. Now we are heading towards Nandi Hills. So before that, now we are in the auto rickshaw, and all our co-passengers are here. Just you can see them. Hi, Kamlu. Hey. and these are two of our important passengers sitting behind the auto. Okay, let's check it out. Now friends, you can watch it out. Now here we are towards the steps. So let us take the steps away and we will reach out the Nandi Hills now. I'm taking the first step. Come on, please join with us like this only. And we'll have a wonderful, good spiritual journey, what I would like to say once again. And you can see here, my two brothers, they are taking photographs for each and every step. And here is a small Hanuman temple who is blessing us to give the strength to go. You can see my breathing also. Yeah, we will do it. Everything is possible. Everything is easy. We can do it. And you can see here the small way where we can stay in the middle. We can halt here for 5 minutes and then once again we can go ahead. You can see here it's completely surrounded by the thick forest. So in the middle of this forest only these steps are there. So we are on the way towards Nandi Hills and it's completely a wonderful environment here to watch out, and also we are enjoying a lot here. Yeah, friends, you can just watch out here all the animals which are present here in this forest. It is on the board and I hope we are not getting any fear because these are all our friends. Here it's a small arch. We are crossing this arch now, so that means we are a bit near to our destination. And this is our second stop to stay and to take rest for 5 minutes, and then we can walk again once again. I will also take a bit rest. Again, we have started now once again and we are very near to our destination. We have to say like this because for every 10 minutes our person is inspiring us, motivating us that only 10 minutes we have to take the steps, and after that we reach the destination. And I think it has been 20 minutes right now, and every 5 minutes he is telling that only 10 minutes is remaining. So yeah, we are heading towards our destination and we are very enthusiastic and very excited. Yes, now here we are on the third stop. So as you can see all our rekists who are enjoying this silence. You can't speak also, and you can see the heights from the ground level. We are very at the highest point and all the steps are like this now, completely like this. Okay, but we are not going to accept the failure, or we are not going to give up also. We are heading towards our destination and we will win this for sure. Yes, friends, I hope you can see the steps now, and this is the environment behind me. I'm just showing you in the 360-degree angle. Yeah, you can see all our trekkers, they are taking the rest by laying down. Yes, chalo chalo. You can see here the depth, and you can see the road there where we are seeing from the topmost point of the city, I think. Okay, and it's really enjoyable moment. still we are excited. You can see the top view once again. But yes, I would like to say, my dear friends, yes, obviously our speed has reduced. Like tortoise, we are taking one steps, but for sure we have decided to reach our destination and not to return at any condition. So I hope this every step of this Nandi Hills, it is teaching a lesson for us that in career, or it may be in any of the situation in our life, once we set our goal and once we start our journey, we should never stop and we should never go back, and we have to always only see our destination to keep us self-motivated. And also we have to, either it is slow also our journey, even if speed is reduced, we should never stop. And once again I would like to say, we are inspired, we are motivated, and we are excited, and still we will do that, we will achieve that. You can see the art designed on that rock stone, so it's very admiring, and the great heritage of our Indian culture, and we are really proud of this. And here we are standing, so you can watch out. So it's very cold and we are feeling that cool breeze here. Yeah, it's very cold. You can just check it out. Pura cold hawa. And you can see here the monkeys which are waiting for us, and we got a bit scared also, and we stayed for there for 2 minutes, and then with a complete courage we are going again.
Final point.
And here the team, we are going to reach our final point, and also you can see the monkeys welcoming us. Yahoo! Here we are. We have reached our destination successfully, and the mission accomplished with a great success. We can just watch a smiling face in all our trekkists today. And here are the idols. So I would like to bow down my head for all the idols which are kept here. So once again I would like to say the great Indian heritage culture, the pride and the proud moment for us. And also you can also see here the Navagraha idols. So it's really wonderful. And also you can see our teammates here, all with a smiling face after a huge climbing of this wonderful mountain hill. So, and our another teammates here, you can just watch out, all of these people with a very great grand smile on their face. Friends, you can just watch out here. So it is written here that this temple is located in a naturally formed cave below a huge 70 feet tall rock. This is located towards northwestern side of the hill along the stepway from Sultanpete to hilltop. Inscription here says during 1397, Kannapparya's son Devapparya donated door to this temple. So this is what a bit small photograph it is here, and you can see the top view from here once again, and also a small water flow here. You can check it out. I will just show you, which is, I think it is coming from the rocks or hill from there. So I hope you can hear the voice also, noise of the water. Yeah, it's really wonderful. It was our destination, but still more steps were there, and still we are inspired and excited. Yes, here we are. I think this is our destination. Is this our last destination or still it is there? We are enjoying really a lot, and we are very much hungry also now because we didn't have our breakfast also. Yes, now we are in search of hotel now. Yes, now dear friends, you can watch out here. A small lake is there. So wonderful and colorful fishes you can see here. Pink, red color, grey color. So many fishes are available here. Yeah, really it's wonderful here once again. And now we are heading towards all the other destinations also. And there was a discussion between the watchman and me and all our team members because they were not leaving us because on Saturday and Sunday it is not allowed, they were telling. But even though after those things, now here we are inside the tourist spots. Yeah, you can see, watch out here the fish. Yes friends, here now we are searching for the food. We didn't have our breakfast. Now we are directly looking for afternoon lunch. But one auntie was there who showed a very wonderful road for us. So we have taken the steps once again. So now we are sitting on the road here and taking rest. You can see all our boys, they are resting here. So yes, wonderful journey. Still we have to go ahead. Come on, let's go. So yes, ultimately we have reached this Mayura Pine Top restaurant. So first we will have our food and then we will start our journey once again. So friends, here we are in the restaurant where we are having our lunch, and we can watch the wonderful viewpoint here where mirror is there, and now here down there is a place where we can sit also. But now here there are many more monkeys, so we can't open this door. Otherwise I would have opened and I would have showed you that how much wonderful breeze that we are enjoying, and we are enjoying completely here. So anyway, let us enjoy our lunch first, and then after that we will go ahead. And here now friends, you can watch it out. So, how is the food?
Good.
Yeah, you can see here.
Rice is good.
Rice is good.
Don't know about sabji.
But sabji is also very tasty. It is looking like very delicious. So yeah, come on, let's have it. Yes, friends, after having a delicious lunch now, we are on the peak point. So you can just look it out here. So it's a completely the topmost place of this what do you call the peak, I think. So it's a wonderful moment once again. So you can watch out. Very beautiful. So we can't express the happiness, the feeling that what you are feeling right now here. So wonderful it is overall. So you can also see our friends, they are taking the photographs, and also once again our friends are here. Our friends means none other than the beautiful monkeys. So you can just handsome monkey. So Oh ho! Oh ho! Yahoo! Yeah, we are on the completely topmost place of this hill, I think. So it's really wonderful, beautiful, fabulous, fantabulous, any of the words that you can call for this wonderful place. And you can just see the mountain there. It's completely covered with the fog. And right now I am here at 2:30 in the afternoon. And in the afternoon also you can see the fog. So it's really wonderful. It's completely enjoying, my dear friends. Wow, it's really wonderful breeze. You can just enjoy this spiritual journey. So I think whenever we come to this type of spots, no, we have to feel the soul, the experience of the soul. It's completely personal, individual, so you can't express it also. Even if I express also, it's not understandable, and it looks like very childish that what he is experiencing. Like this it seems to be. So, but yes, really it's wonderful, enjoying. And I would like to shout now, come on! And I think nobody is here to tell us that not to shout. So I would like to shout once again, Yahoo! You must express, yaar. Come on, this is the right age that you have to start expressing. Otherwise, how you will be able to express your love towards somebody? Yes or no?
It's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful. Yes, your name? Vikram from Chikbalapur, right? Yeah, Vikram from Chikbalapur is telling that it's very wonderful experience he is experiencing now. Yeah, your name, my dear boy? Manoj. Yes, how you are experiencing?
Places.
It's beautiful place. Then, anything else you would like to say? Okay, yeah, you? Vinay. So you are also from Chikbalapur.
Chikbalapur.
So how you are feeling?
New experience with friends.
New experience with friends. Okay, is this the first time that you are here?
No, third time, but friends with friends.
With friends first time. Then previously 2 times with whom?
Family.
Okay, with family he was
we
here.
can't see much more. Only temples.
Okay, only temples are there. But even though you don't know, in temples only all the relationship will start.
Yeah, I saw in South Indian movie all the starts from.
Yeah, his experience. Please, what is your name? May I know?
My name is Shailesh Dev.
Shailesh Dev.
Yeah, it's very wonderful to come here, and I saw it's unexpressible things here.
Yeah, you can't express.
I can't express the
Yes, but one
beauty.
Yeah, one of the sentence that you used before I came to you, that every relationship starts from the temple. Then what you would like to tell about this?
Yeah, in all the South Indian movies, I saw that.
Yeah.
All the relations start from temple.
Yeah.
Temple.
Yeah, this is obviously true that all the relationships it starts from temple.
Yeah.
Is there any personal experience behind this?
This is also a temple, and so I think he might get one.
Surely only one is not enough, I think. Okay. Here is our Tapas Dev. You can see his face. He is bit watching the camera, and he is our cameraman now. So yes, a very expensive cameraman. Can you please?
Actually, what is expensive? Me and my camera. What?
No, you are expensive than camera. Okay. So can you share your experience about this? How you are experiencing now?
It's a very beautiful place, natural place.
Yeah.
And I love the natural places and mountains and all the things.
All the things.
Yeah.
And are you feeling lonely?
What about the food?
Are you feeling lonely here?
No. Why lonely here? Because my friends are here, my brother, everyone here.
No. Also your brothers and all these people will not be give that much of experience, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, he's telling the truth from his heart, I think. Okay. Anyway, thank you. It's wonderful. Yeah. Come on, let's go for the next destination now. Here you can see our friend is eating something. He has stolen that cover, plastic cover, and he is eating something. And he's a red color monkey. And don't ask me whether I am also red and he is also red. So now friends, here you can see the importance of this temple. So Sri Yoganandeshwara temple was established during 11th century by Chola kings. During 14th century, Vijayanagara kings improved it further. Sri Krishna Devaraya donated 2 huge bronze Dwarapalaka statues which are placed near entrance of the sanctum of sanctorium. This temple has Dravida and Chola style of architecture. Names of Raja Rajendra Chola and Kulatunga Chola, Maratha king Sahu are inscripted on the walls of the temple. So this is what the history of the temple it is showing. So now we are entering a temple, I think. So let us check it out. Come on, it's very enjoying, right? Yeah, beautiful.
अरे ना
और एक बार बताओ भाई और एक बार भाई हाँ
बोलो यार, टीपू ड्रॉप पे ना
हाँ
अपने सारे पास्ट मेमोरी को ड्रॉप कर देना है। ठीक है,
अभी देखो
पास्ट जो गर्लफ्रेंड का मेमोरी होगा उसको पहले ड्रॉप कर देना है।
नहीं, अभी देखो मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ। पहली बात है, हर दिन सुबह जब उठते हैं हमारे लिए एक नया जीवन है। जब हम रात में सोते हैं हर दिन हमारे लिए नया रात है कि नहीं? तो हम हर रात में सब कुछ छोड़ करके ही निकल जाते हैं।
लेकिन
अब तो हम तलाश में है भाई। वाह, वही तो हम जो यहाँ जहाँ से आए हैं। ट्रेन अभी दिखेगा नहीं।
अभी कौन सा ट्रेन आ रहा है इधर?
So yeah, for films, for marriage shoot, it's a wonderful spot here. You people can come here and enjoy this place, and you can have a very good photography also. Yeah, wonderful. और एक बार यस बताओ क्या बोल रहे हो? ये मैंने बोला अभी ये मैरिज स्पॉट है, तो हमारा भाई का बात सुन लो।
मैरिज के बाद अगर लाइफ में शांति चाहिए तो यहाँ पे टीपू ड्रॉप पे आए और फोटो क्लिक के बहाने ड्रॉप कर दें।
किसको?
वो आपको सोचना है।
अभी देखो, सोचो भाई, सोचो।
वो आपको डिपेंड करता है आप क्या ड्रॉप करना चाहते हो।
क्या मोबाइल को या
या तो अपनी खुशियाँ को।
वाह, क्या बात है। हाँ। या तो
खुशी देने वाली को। जो भी सोचो आप तो करता है।
देखो भाई, हमारा भाई का
क्लिक है क्या इधर?
भाई का सजेशन मान लो और सोच लो। यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट। या
अलग से नहीं है।
And now here we are getting down from the very big rock. So now we are heading towards the Tipu drop. अरे भाई आराम से he's running. So here there is a board also, danger. ಇದನ್ನು ದಾಟಬೇಡಿ. Don't cross this grill. That grill you should not cross, no? Okay. So and you can see, friends, whenever my soul will call me, no, I will just shout like this. It's really beautiful. वाह, क्या बात है. It's really wonderful, and you can watch out here. So it's just what we can call the voice of the soul. So whenever you feel like shouting, or whenever you feel like doing something by your soul or by your heart, please do that, because I think this is the very moment so which you are never going to get back once again. So enjoy this particular moment and enjoy the presence. So it's really beautiful here. You have to enjoy. Yeah, let's go to the Tippu drop now, and it's very steep now here. So bit I'm switching off my camera, and I want to focus on my legs and my steps also.
अरे साला कैसे उतरेंगे रे?
उतर सकते हैं, कम ऑन वी कैन डू इट. इतना नीचे से हम ऊपर आ सकते हैं, तो नीचे नहीं जा सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं हाथ मत हाथ
क्योंकि आप गिरेंगे तो हम भी गिरेंगे. कुछ नहीं होता, nothing will happen. So yes, we are doing that, and bit it is very steep.
जूते पे भरोसा रखो और आ जाओ.
नहीं, हम खुद पर विश्वास करने वाले लोग हैं. We have self confidence, and we have confidence on our shoes also, and the grip of our shoes. Yeah, and here we are on the Tippu drop. So yeah, you can just watch out, and I will show you the depth of this. So where, if anybody, there is a story that if anybody does any type of mistakes, no, then Tipu Sultan ji, he used to bring those people here, and he used to drop them from this heights. So I don't know the story which I heard from the people here. I am just narrating that. So but anyway, you can just see the deep now here from here. So this is the deep. I think I can't even measure also. I can't even tell you the approximate. So how much it is. So it's very, very, very deep, and you can also see the big hills there in front of this hill also. So in between these two hills there is a very deep steep. So yeah, this is known as Tippu drop. And here friends, there is a warning also. You can just check it out. Climbing on the fort wall and taking selfie is prohibited. So please don't do that. Please be careful while you come here. So yeah, next let us go for our next destination. Here only on this hill there is something like Kaban house is there, and we will just check it out. Yeah, and once again we are heading towards that by climbing the steps. And just a minute. And friends, here now our Chikbalapur friends, they are leaving us now. So let us give them a wonderful what we call send off. Yeah. So thank you very much. Once again we'll meet once again. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. So yes, friends, now we have completed our this journey, wonderful spiritual journey, I would like to say, with all our dear tourists, trekkists. So now we are getting down. Yeah, getting down is much easier. Yeah, you enjoyed a lot. Yeah, so all the students, they are telling that they have enjoyed a lot this destination, and I too have enjoyed. It was really wonderful, magical, fantabulous, fabulous, and no other words to say for me. And you can also just observe this. Right now the time is 3:10, and you can just see here the environment. You can also see the picture clarity of the picture also, and the cool place here it is, because it is completely surrounded with a thick forest, so it's really wonderful, and I'm enjoying. Yeah, come on, let's get down again. And I think I was a bit thinking that I missed today entering the temple, because today the temple was not open, but here the small temple is there of Nandi. So I'm very much satisfied, because after climbing this completely a big mountain, big hill, so now at least I got this Nandi to watch here. So I will bow down my head to this Nandi from here itself, and I'm very happy. Yeah, and once again we are towards this fish pond, and we are getting down. Yahoo! So friends, the lake, what I told, a small pond is there, I told, no? So behind this there is a small history also that I would like to read. You can observe here. Amrut Sarovar was the main source of water for the Nandi Hill. It was the main source of water for the Nandi Hill. In 1936, Diwan of Mysuru improved this by laying the stones and wall around the pond. It is a beautiful water lake that brims with lucid water all the year round. So that means all the year here this pond will be full, what they are telling. So that Mysore Maharaja, he built it once again, rebuilt it with stones and all, and you can see the construction. It's really wonderful, beautiful, enjoying. So yeah, very nice. See, whenever you come to this type of place, no, and there you can also see that arch, no, not it is arch, but what we call that building. So where Tipu Sultan used to rest in summer, they told. So yeah, see, one thing I would like to add, whenever you feel like you want to have a change, so you just come to the environment place, because see, environment is such a wonderful place where you can share your feelings with the environment. You can express yourself with the environment, because yeah, and you can see here Gavi Veerabhadreshwara Swami temple is there. So from here itself I would like to bow down my head, because I think temple will be locked now. Yeah, I was telling that, so whenever you feel no, like you have to go for the retreatment, or you have to have some sort of vacation, at that time I think it's better to have a wonderful session or wonderful holiday package in the environment resorts, or else resorts will be much more expensive, I think. So if it is possible, if it suits for your economic condition, then it's okay. Otherwise, so you can come to this type of hills or somewhere else where the greenery is there, and you can enjoy, you can share your all feelings with the environment. So here now you can see, so this was what a building that we came out from. So it's a wonderful place. Now we are getting down again. So we will meet you once again when we get down directly, or else in the middle, if any spot if I see, surely I will show it to you also, because I have to concentrate on my steps. Because I have to concentrate and I have to get down. No, otherwise the mountain will automatically take us down. But it is risky. So okay, let's meet. So friends, I would like to tell one more important thing, that this spirituality is all about the individual experience. So you have to experience it by your own. So what I would like to say, or what I would like to add is here, so it's very important that whenever you come to these types of spots, you come alone. It is better to be alone, and you can experience more number of experiences you can get. So now you can see the fog. It's 3:20. So you can see the spot here. So it's completely wonderful. So yes, I was telling about this spirituality. So it's completely an individual journey, what I was telling, right? So whenever you come to such type of places, try to be alone, because more number of experiences you can collect within your soul, within your heart. You can gather it when you are alone more. And also the important thing, what I felt is, the environment itself, it has such a wonderful thing that it heals us in all the ways. So it might be any sort of the things that you have faced in your life. It doesn't matter, because everybody's life is a completely challenging life. So everybody has to face the challenges, and everybody has to be inspired. They have to be motivated, and we also must have a smiling face always while facing all the type of difficulties in our life. So with all these things, I would like to say, yeah, we have to enjoy this type of environmental things always. And the spirituality, it's completely, in spirituality you are there, and with your own soul you are there. So now you can see the viewpoint here. It's completely cold viewpoint, and now it's 3:30. So at 3:30 also you can see this cold weather. So now I would like to wear my sweater back once again. So yeah, here our brother is filling up the bottle. Yeah, I was telling that this type of journey we have to focus and we have to go ahead. It will be very enthusiastic, inspiring, motivating always. So okay, we will get down and then we'll speak it. Yes sir, I would like to say, my dear friends, I was thinking that climbing is very bit difficult, but while getting down it is very easy. But for both of the things, the same energy is required. And one more important thing is, while getting down, you have to have your control on your brake. So you have to see each and every step, and you have to have the control on the brake on your body, and slowly you have to get down. So yeah, same energy is required for both the things, climbing up and getting down. Oh, after getting down, still we have to cross, still we have to go down. We are taking rest here, and you can see our brother is counting the stars in the sky, and our one more brother Tapas Devji, he is sitting there, and I am also taking the rest of the steps we have to cover, and we have to get down. But we will have a short gap and then we will start once again. So now here I have got a wonderful wisdom from one of our trekkists today, that he was telling that if we take one by one step now, that the whole pressure of the body will come on the leg, and we feel very much tired in the leg itself. So he told that all the people who stay in the mountains, they used to walk like this, like they will take a step like this. You can just watch out me. I'm not running, but I'm taking I'm bending the body, so that what happens, the whole body pressure will be divided and it will be distributed, so that we don't feel very much pressure on the leg, and we will be having the energy while going down also. So yeah, now I'm feeling great and I'm getting down very easily. Okay, we are energetic. Yahoo! Yahoo! But while going like this also, you have to be very careful, because there is a lot of chance that your leg can slip away. So please be careful and follow the tricks, and you can go down very easily. Yay! Yes, ultimately we have reached our destination towards the down also. So you can watch these steps, and we got down. It's really fabulous, fantabulous, and सही में वहाँ से आए हैं, वो रहा ऊपर मंदिर, and from that temple, so we came down from the steps itself. So we went through steps and we came back through steps itself, and you can see our sweating also. Yeah. Yes, now friends, here this is the end of our journey. It was really wonderful, I think. Yeah, really wonderful. We are not able to hear anything. You can see all our groupmates, they are enjoying and they are speaking, and they are very happy by sitting in the auto. Yes, sir. Yes, here my dear friends, we have reached our place. Yeah, it was a really wonderful journey towards Nandi Hills. So thank you once again. We will meet in the next vlog once again. Thank you.